How to go to live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers on your account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Generally on TikTok, whenever you want to go live or if you want to unlock your live feature, you must meet some criteria such as you must have followers more than 1,000. But if you want to go live without having the 1,000 followers, then you can go on live on TikTok as a guest, which is another alternative way that you can try. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to the live section. You have to join another creator live stream. And if a TikTok user over 1,000 followers is hosting a live stream, they can invite you as a guest to join their live session. And in this way, you don't need to meet the 1,000 followers requirement to go live. The host will have the control to add you to their live. Once the host sends you an invitation to join their live, you have to accept the invitation and you will appear on their live broadcast and your followers will be able to see you as a guest. But if you want to send request, what you have to do is tap on the request also in order to send request to the host so that the host can join you in their broadcast. So it's a great way to engage with an audience and interact on TikTok live even if you don't have reached the 1,000 follower in your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.